guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by ReadyWig. They reached out to me and sent me this hair for review, so let's just get right on into the video. Okay, so this is the ReadyWig Ombre Blonde Dark Roots Wavy Synthetic Lace Front Wig in 24 inches. And this wig costs $42.99 on their website. I will have my coupon code as well as the link to purchase this hair. All the information will be in the description box below if you guys are interested. What do you guys think about this hair? I think it looks pretty good considering it's synthetic. Let me show you guys how long it comes on me because I am 5'5" and it comes to a little bit under my boob. It is very thick. This is all the hair to the front, and you know, it's pretty thick. She's thick. She's very thick, and it's cute, I think, for pictures. I even think that if you put a hat on, you could get away with it a little better. But anyways, back to the hair. I think it does look really great in pictures. If you are looking for some hair to do photo shoots with, or something that you want to just like throw on for something that you don't need for a long time, or if you want to try out different color hair and kind of just test it for different makeup looks and doing shoots in your room, like, I don't know if I would necessarily wear this hair like outside, you know, like I don't know if I would feel confident enough to wear a synthetic wig outside, but this one, I think I would get away with it if I was wearing a hat. And I think what would make it look even more natural is if you get one of those thinning shears and thin the wig out, make it a little bit more thin, as well as put some dry shampoo in this hair and it'll tone down the shininess. But I'm feeling how it looks with the hat. It looks much better with the hat, and it almost makes me want to do another wig in this color because this blonde is giving me. If you head over onto ReadyWig's website, you can see that they have a variety of synthetic wigs as well as some virgin hair options as well. They unfortunately do not have any virgin hair wig options, but they do have bundles and closures and that kind of stuff on the website in a couple of different textures. So if you guys are interested in that and you want to use my coupon code for that, it'll work on those items as well. Oh, and another thing about this wig that like kind of turned me off a little bit, I don't know if you guys can see like this root color. This root color isn't like a black or a brown. It kind of has like a black grayish tinge to it, and you can't really tell on camera, and in real life you might not be able to tell that well from far away, but when you look at it up close, it has like a little bit of a gray tint to it. So I wish that the roots of this wig were like a dark brown, like a true dark brown, but you know, they tried. It's really not too bad, and I'm really just being picky about it because like I'm picky about my wigs. But yeah, I think for $42 or $41, however much it is, the price will be down below. It is a pretty good wig. You know, you do get a full frontal, and I have a really big head. This wig doesn't really cover my entire hairline, so I won't be able to wear this wig like in a full glued down hairline type way. But I do have a really large head, so if you have a medium size head or a normal average size head, this wig will fit you perfectly. It's just a little tiny bit too small for me, as you guys can see, and my hairline really protrudes out, you know, so it kind of dips out in certain areas, so it's hard for a frontal to completely cover it unless it's like the perfect fit for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.